Hey, glad you could make it. Welcome to the space, the shop. As you can see, we've got kind of a few things going on. What is all of this? Well, I've decided to start a YouTube channel. I know, it's a new thing. Everybody's doing it. But I figured it was about time. For the last year, I've been doing this thing called heavy-handed, and I've been doing it kind of statically behind, Instagram and TikTok. And a couple of weeks ago, I started on this guy, and I was just thinking, man, doing these bigger pieces is really fun, and it's super cool. So it's been sort of this elevation or progression, if you will, of starting with these guys, sometimes doing these magnet heads and then these statues, which is just, these are so much fun. And I'm a huge nerd, love superheroes, working on the Punisher. Someday we'll finish that guy, probably a video about him. We can do anything, and that's kind of the magic of it. And so doing this T-Rex head, blowing it up so big and having to cut it and figure that out. And then it was just printing piece by piece, right? You can see the seams on this thing, and all of a sudden throwing it all on the table, gluing it together. And it's holy shit, this thing's real, and it's large, or it's the biggest thing I've ever printed. We'll go bigger for sure, but I don't know, man. It's kind of unlocked something in my head where it's like I said, creating and putting these things on social media. And now I just kind of want to chase bigger things and not just limited to this. I've been playing an unhealthy amount of Arc Raiders lately. And so naturally I was like, man, wouldn't it be cool if we printed the anvil from that thing? And so now I've got this project here where it's so how far can we take that? How close can we get to that looking and feeling like the gun from the game? Granted, I think it's on the small side, but that's okay. We'll still go with it. Maybe we try it again. Maybe there's a few series of that, but that's what it's all about. Or that's what Heavy-Handed is about. That's what this channel is about, is just coming here and trying stuff, being excited about trying stuff, hearing from you guys. Yeah, I'm super glad you're here. Thank you for watching the video. And I kind of can't wait to see where this goes or what we create. But I gotta go. Make yourself a home, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.